That's also same this concept control flow statement. They are also same. Okay, because without this control flow statement, how to write the program conditional wise, some conditional wise according to your condition you can run that program. Okay, you can make it the condition. Okay, so those condition you can using in control flow statement. Every language is available. This is the common. It should be first strong in this control flow statement. Then how to write the if condition, if else, and for loop, while loop, those kind of looping concept and the conditional statement, how to use. Okay, so those things you today will be cover those topics. So before that, some theory I'll be here, I'll be show you. You can see control flow statement. This is the basic statement. The program is control flow statement, order of which your program code execute the control flow of a Python program, regulated conditional statement and loops. Correct. Conditional, if conditional, loops, those things. Okay, control flow statement. This section covering if statement for Python. Okay, those things will be today will be cover if statement, for loop, while loop. Okay, this is the control flow statement. Just see carefully. Okay, so here you can see control flow statement. I have divided in three parts. What is that? Conditional statement, another is iterative statement, another is transfer statement. So you can see here is graphically I'll be representing. It will be clarity will become your in your minds, right? So you can see conditional statement inside it's comes in if else, if else, nested if else. Okay, so conditional statement inside this type of condition is coming if else, if else, correct, and then nested if else. After that, I'm divided in three parts. Okay, here is transfer statement. Transfer statement is break, continue, and pass. Okay, so here is unique feature here, other compared to control flow statement in Java and ASP, other language, C, C++. Here is break, continue, and pass is something is different. And here you can see interactive statement means for and while loop, two parts. So statement. Here is conditional statement, correct. This those topic will three parts will be covering today. Okay, so carefully you just try to understand conditional statement. So here conditional statement, you just see conditional statement depending whether given the condition true or false, you can execute different block of codes. Depending on the outcome of condition, conditional statement always evaluate either true or false. Okay, so here I have divided in if statement, if else, if else. Nested if else. Now you no need to know. Once enter in basic thing, you have to understand if else. Normally you have to use those three conditions. Nested if, occasionally you have to use that. Once entering the program level you have to strong, then you can go for the nested if else. Okay, means if else inside if else. Okay, so today we'll just cover in if else, if else. Okay, so just here I have mentioning these three things. Okay, if statement. If statement, first of all, you can see the syntax. Syntax is this is the syntax. If condition. If statement means condition wise, it will be check the that code. Okay, so you can see if this is the syntax. If condition, whatever condition, then statement one, statement two, statement three. It should depend on you how much you can take. Okay, so you can see here. Test the condition. If true, then body. If otherwise here false, then outside. Okay, this is the control flow statement. If statement. This is the control flow. You just try to understand here. Condition will be checked true, then coming in inside the body, then execute, then outside. Otherwise false, then directly not in coming in this part, that will be coming outside. Correct. So here one example I'll be tell you here right now. I'll be go here 1 minute. See, I'm in this folder right now, Python Guru. Here I have two class I have completed. That's operator last class. Now I want to create one folder, touch loop UI. Correct. I have just created file name is loop.py. So how to check that will be created or not? ls Yeah, it's created in blank loop.py. Then how to open this loop here? Code loop.py. Okay. Now I am open here. Okay. Here is another batch. Okay. Don't worry about that. This is this folder batch 1 5 2003. Your batch is Python Guru. This folder inside I have created in loop.py. Correct. So now if condition, first of all, try to understand what is that if condition. Okay. If condition, I'm told you already. So syntax, what is that? You can see syntax is if condition, then statement is multiple. Okay. So suppose here, if I'm suppose like here, I'll be take example a equal to suppose 10. I'll be take one variable. Here I am checking condition a greater than 10. Okay. Then I am here. You cannot blank it. Okay. Once conditional statement, you cannot blank it. Okay. This is the statement. Inside something you have to write. Okay. So if condition, once you have to write the condition a greater than 10, then you can condition satisfied. Then I want to print hello. This is the if condition. Okay. Condition. Correct. So right now here a is suppose 11, no problem. You can see here. I'll run the program Python. So file name is loop.py. Okay. You can see this is the condition. This is if condition. Okay, inside. So you can take it multiple, no problem. Okay, inside. Okay, you can take multiple also as per statement. This is 1, this is 2. I'm taking like that. You can multiple statement also inside. You can take it. Okay, no problem. So you can, but condition will be satisfied. Here 11 is greater than 10, then it will be print. Okay. Suppose here a equal to 3, then what will be happen? You can see nothing data is displaying. Why? Condition is not satisfied. Condition once satisfied, then this part will be executed. Condition not satisfied, that will be not comes in that part. Okay, that is the main thing. Conditional by check, and here is else is optional. Else as per your requirement you can take it, otherwise no need. Okay, so in this way you can take it. Suppose user will be provided, then you will be checked. So how to, already last class already told you, a equal to input here. I'll check here, enter a string. Okay, enter a string. Here I am checking if a suppose I'll check that d a variable. Suppose I want to check d in that particular a. Okay, I'll check. Okay, suppose d letter, this letter, I want to check this character in a. Suppose whatever string user will be given, I want to check that data is d is available, then comes in this part. Okay, not then don't come. Okay, one second. You can see here. I'll suppose I'll enter in Delhi. Okay, yeah, Delhi is available. This string then comes. Suppose I'll be here enter hello. Okay, not printed. Condition is not satisfied. Are you understanding or not? I'm telling you. So I hope you understand these things. Okay, so this is the if condition. After that if condition, I'll go for the if else part. Okay, here is if else. You can see here if else statement. You can see if else statement, check the condition, execute if block of code when the condition is true. Otherwise, by it's automatically it comes in false, means it will be else part. Else block will be executed. Condition satisfied, then if block, otherwise else block. You can see the syntax. If condition, here condition will be checked. Condition satisfied, then comes in statement 1. Otherwise, condition false, then comes in statement 2. So you can see here, understand. Test the condition, if true this part, then this part. False means this part. Okay, then goes. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, so suppose I'll be one example, I'll be take. Okay, you can see same example, I'll be suppose if else. Okay, here suppose same thing, I'll be take a suppose pen. Okay, I'll be one variable I have taken. So now I'll check if a greater than
I think
suppose
someone is unmute. Can they mute themselves?
what
Might get disturbance in the recording. Some background noise is coming, right? Someone is talking.
okay, I'll stop. Okay, here. Okay, now it's audible background.
Yeah, not from you. I think someone is talking actually. Someone is unmute.
Okay, no, now not, I hope, I think not coming. Okay, so okay, so will be start. Okay, you can see here multiple condition. Here is single if condition. Okay, condition satisfied, then come else is not here. If, okay, if else means here I am putting in if condition, then condition will be satisfied. Okay, so then hello, I am
Yeah, we
audible.
can.
Yes,
Yes.
see, so here this statement a suppose greater than 30, then comes in this part, executing this part. Okay, this is true. Okay, I'm just messaging displaying this is true. Okay, this is the, what is it, if condition will be satisfied, this part condition will be suppose not satisfied, then what will we do, else part by default. So what is that, it's a false print. Okay, this is false, this is false. Correct. So right now, so which part will be executed? Can you tell me? Print, what is the result? Simple thing. A greater than 30 is condition will be not satisfied. Na? A is 10 right now. So this part will be print.
Else part with
This is
yeah.
false. Okay. You can see this is false. So you understand, na? So else part and if condition. Once condition will be satisfied, this condition will be executed. Condition will be satisfied. How to? I'll be here passing in 70. Correct. So now save. I'll run. So it will be comes in this part. Correct. Are you understand else if else condition? So once condition will be, you just remember, condition will be satisfied, then comes in this part. Condition will be not satisfied here, then automatically it goes to else part. But here, previously if condition you can use without else. So only condition check, condition will be satisfied, then this part, else part is nothing is there. Na? Here only condition satisfied, this part will be condition will be not satisfied, nothing will be displayed. Okay, so here you can try to understand if else condition like that. You also check it. Okay. In this way you can check if else condition. Then after that, what is that, if elif if elif and else. Okay, so this thing theory you can first try to understand. Okay, so you can see here if, elif, else statement, correct? So in Python, so first of all you try to understand. So if, elif, else if condition statement has in elif block to chain of multiple condition. Here you can see only one condition. Only if else means condition one, but I want to take in multiple condition. Then print according to condition will be satisfied, then print. So how to use? Then if, elif, else statement, multiple, whenever chain of multiple condition, then you can go for the this part, if, elif, else. So what is the syntax? If condition one satisfied, then this statement. Elif this conditions two suppose will be satisfied, then this statement two. Then otherwise else if condition three will be satisfied, then statement three. Otherwise you can else is by default any message is default message. Okay, so you can in this way also you can pass it. Okay, suppose here I'll be one example I'm taking, I'll just copy it and I'm not writing. Okay, you can see here, I'll suppose here one minute. See, this is the one of the, suppose here is one variable I'll be take. User will be given the input. Input already told you. User something data will be given that will be stored this variable. Directly you can suppose assign a equal to 10. That you are given here right now. But runtime, whatever user will be given, that data will be stored, that will be checked, condition will be satisfied, then it will be print here. Okay, so you can see here I have put in you can take it multiple. So here is one condition, another is here condition, three condition here put it. Otherwise by default is else part. Condition will be not satisfied, suppose nothing will be happen, then this part will be coming. So right now you can check, suppose I'll unexpected, where is unexpected, line number 32. Here, correct. So you can see syntax error. So now here message what showing, I am writing in multiple condition, not in if else. Here is if else means only one condition. Here right now just three condition. You can, as for requirement, you can multiple condition, you can take in 3, 4, yeah, 10, yeah, 100, up to what according to your requirement. So just see, and just input is messaging what, enter your favorite brand. Okay, so now I am just entering, suppose hello is not available now here. String rc okay, hello is not available. Okay, you can see which part is coming, else part na, this part, because here is condition is not satisfied, comes in this part, else part. Suppose right now I can see I am just here putting in rc. Okay, rc, correct. See which part is executed inside this condition. Suppose I'll be putting in f4. Okay, f4. So then buy one get one free, this condition will be execute this statement. So in any doubt you have?
If we want to check the two conditions, we can check, right? In one if condition.
Yeah, that and operator you can check both the condition, and already told you no operator last class. Both the
Okay.
condition and operator you can use, both the condition will satisfy, then that part will be executed. Just I'm simple example given you, because you first understand this thing. Once entering the program, then step by step you can use in all this. Here I'm just using in double equal to condition, equal to condition. Okay, here you can also check in double and operator, you can check multiple condition, then this part you can check. Okay, Any
No.
doubt? So this is the one example I'll be giving you. If else means multiple conditions. Suppose here here is switch case is Python is not support like that. C++ Java there is switch case like that. Here is work like multiple condition you can using if else. Okay. Suppose another example I'll be suppose take A equal to suppose input. I'll be taking user. Okay. Enter a number. Okay. Any number that will be
Start అయిపోయింది.
what?
About to start, right? On చేసుకోండి.
Int okay. Int
On
I'll be
చేసుకోండి.
check.
మీ ఇంగ్లీష్ బుక్ ఏది అదేనా ఇది కావాలంటే ఇది పెట్టుకో సరేనా
Okay. So here I'll be check
ఇది కావాలి
A,
మోస్ కావాలన్నా
some noise. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Suppose A equal to I'll check suppose it's a 20, then it's a displaying message print. This is sorry, this is 20. Okay, this is 20, correct. This statement. Then suppose like that multiple condition I want to check. Okay, so how to check? If elif, okay, elif, okay, elif A equal to 30. Okay, 30, then and first of all this is the syntax. Once you have to condition right here, then colon. Okay, colon you can end with, then some space, then you can multiple statement also you can execute. Okay, so you can see here I'll be here printing. Yeah, this is print 30. Okay, so like that you can multiple also. Sorry, Control J and check here. So as for your requirement, okay, no problem. I'm just this up to this I'll be taking. Okay, this is the default one. Something is not condition will be satisfied. This part will be executed. Okay, this is the default data. Okay, like so here I am just 30 checking, here 40 checking. Okay, condition 40 here 50, 50 here is 60, correct. 60. Okay, so now I will run this program. We can see here enter. Suppose I'm 20 is available condition, then 20. Okay, suppose I'm here putting in not in condition 9. Okay, 9 is not available, then default data. Okay, are you understand? Yeah, not like that multiple condition I am checking. Okay, so see here 60. Okay, 60 I'm not here, so all are 30 mentioned, but you can see this part is 60. Okay, 1 minute. I think close it. Okay, 1 minute. See here. So one minute. Python. Okay, here I am entering, suppose right now 60. Okay, 60. So you can see this is 60. Okay, condition whatever you want to print, then this statement you can print it. But my concern is that how to multiple if you can execute That example I am just giving you. Okay, so according that multiple program you can also here you can use in according to your condition and operator, in operator. Just before here I'm saying na in operator I'm using, okay, and operator. Then you can ask for your condition you can use, but how to syntax, how to use in multiple condition I just show of you here right now. So later you can enter in the program data structure will be start, then you will be understand, but basic thing you just try to understand this thing. Once enter in data structure, there will be data is you can how to use in this looping concept, then you can understand. Okay, so okay, now I'll be go for this is the unnested loop. I'll be told you this is the means inside the loop inside. Okay, once program will become, then I'll be explain right now. No need to go because you'll be confused. So once topic will be start, then I'll be explaining this nested if else. Okay, don't worry. Then after that, another thing is that what is that range function? This is also very important. Okay, so you can see the syntax first. The range function is generate sequence of integer numbers as per the argument and passed. Okay, because why will be range function? I'll be told you right now, because you can see I'll be go for the next topic is for loop, while loop. Okay, so as per here no starting onward, if else this part is completed, I'll be go for in this part. Okay, then break and continue pass how to use I'll be tell you. Okay, but for and while loop I'll be tell you it's a iterative statement. Here is conditional statement, here is iterative statement. For loop, before for loop I'll be tell you for loop also how to use, and range function how to use, that I'll be explaining. Okay, so see first range function. What is that range function? So below the you can see range function is generate a sequence of integer number. Okay, as per the argument pass, means only integer number. Okay, it will be generated as per argument pass. The below steps how to use the range function, you can see syntax range, start, stop, and steps. Okay, the range, start, stops. You just carefully you just syntax understand. The range function you are using, this is the syntax start, stop, and steps. By default start is 0. You can see this is the range example 0 to 10. Start is 0, stop is 10. Correct. Steps means by default it will be 1. Suppose I start 0 to 10, it will be automatically means you suppose pass in 10 means by default it's a 0, 0 to 10 it will be range, it will be generated. By default steps is 1. Suppose steps will be suppose by default 1 means it will be printed 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 up to 10 means that will be 10. Okay, so starting is 0. Okay, steps means suppose here I'll be put it in steps into 0, here is 10, here put it in suppose 2, then what data will become 0, 1 data will skip, then another data, 1 data will skip, another data. Okay, so like that I'll be show you, you can see I'll be one practically I'll be show you range function. You can see here range function. Okay, so range function, so you can see here I am suppose here using for I in range. Okay, okay, not I am using in for loop, I can directly use in print function. Okay, print. Okay, so you can see 0 range. Now I'm passing in 10. Correct, correct. 10, 0 to 10. Okay, 1 minute. 0 to okay. No, you cannot print in directly. Okay. 0. You can use it this range function directly, you cannot use, you can use in for loop. Okay, so you can see I'm in front of you, try to range function directly I have used, but it's not possible. Means print through, I want to print. So you can use in for loop through, you can automatically generate hundreds of data. Okay, so that condition for loop, this is the syntax I'll be told you, but range regarding just try to understand. For I in range I'll be print in 10. Okay, then print I. Okay, you can see here I. Then what is the result you can see here? 0 to 9. Here is starting 0, not in 1. 10 is last condition. So then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, because condition will be satisfied, there will be stop. For loop is nothing but it's iterating until and unless last condition will be not satisfied. This is the syntax in for loop. For it's a variable in range. I'm using in auto generated. Here is 10 means here is start, stop, and steps. Here is stop, I am telling him 10. Suppose here I'll be passing 100, then up to 100 will be print. You can see here default is start is 0. Suppose here default I'll be mentioning 10. Okay, first I'll be show 100, I'll be print, then you can understand. You can see here up to 99 it will be print the data. Okay, you can see 0 to 0, it will be print in 99. Suppose I want to print here start in 10 onward, 10 to 100, correct? You can see here will be start in 10 onward. Okay, minute. One minute. Then see 10 onward it will be start. Okay, suppose I'll be pass here 50 onward will be start. Okay, then see here it will be start in 50 onward. You can see 50 onward it will be start 50, 51, 52, 53, like up to 99. Correct? I hope you understand. Right now I'll be suppose here 10, I'll be here, I'll be put in sequence in 5 gap. Okay, and see 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I hope all of you understand this range function. Range function, what to do? Auto generated in integer type number type. That will be by default. Suppose you don't have pass in start, then 100 you will be passed. By default, it will be taken 0 and steps is 1. Suppose you want to here will be start will be mentioned in 10. Yeah, steps as per your requirement 1, 2, yeah, how much you want to gap interval you want to print, then you can pass that data. Okay, so I hope you understand this range function. Yeah, any doubt? Range function, range what to do? It's auto generated. What is the syntax? You can see here. So any doubt? Range function, simple, you just remember. So this is the range function auto generated. How to use, I'll tell you, because range it's auto generated, that that is the mostly used. That's the reason right now I'll be tell you, but now will be go for loop. Okay, so you can see here Python iterative statement allow us to execute the block of code repeatedly as long as condition is true. We also call it loop statement. Python provides us following 2 loop statement to perform some action repeatedly: for loop, while loop. Iterative statement means one by one iterating. Okay, so now I'll be go for loop first. Okay, for loop. Okay, so you can see here for loop. Okay, so for loop, what is the syntax? First try to understand. You can see for each item in a sequence. Okay, so test the condition. Once condition will be satisfied, then body, then execute again, test the condition, then body, then execute. Okay, like that it will be, loop will be running. Once condition will be not satisfied, then false, execute the loop. That's it. That is the for loop. Okay, if we want to execute the every element in present in some sequence string collection, yeah, should be for a loop. Okay, so this is the syntax for a sequence. Okay, this is the sequence. It's a variable. For this is the syntax you just understand. Okay, for x in sequence may be string, maybe means tuple, maybe dictionary, any kind of data. Okay, so auto generated if I use in range function. Okay, so I'll be give the example, you just understand, try to understand. Okay, so I'll go for the as per syntax. You can see here, suppose list topic will become, then I'll be explain you, but right now you can see this is the list data. I'm audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, suppose I am taking in manually. Okay, this is the data in list of data, correct? This is the list of data. Once list topic will become, I'll be tell you, but right now, instead of buying, just understanding the point, you just understand. Okay, so now you can see L equal to the list of data. You read this data for I want to print, okay, this list of data for I in, okay, what is that list of data? L, correct, colon. Now print I. See, so up to what will be print? Up to 8. You can see what is data is available, that particular list, that data will be read. How? For this variable, for I in L, this list of data. Then like that tuple of data, once coming in string data, then according to for loop you can use, you can read the data. Suppose 10 data I'm taking, same thing here, range function I'll be use. Suppose I don't want to use in this list of data, I want to use in range. Already told you, na, range. Range I am just passing in 10. So same thing here is not reading here data, auto generated range will be work. Okay, you can see here up to 9, 0 to 9, it will be read the data. Okay, print. Okay, so any doubt? No. You can see string of data I will take is equal to string, how to represent Python. Okay, Python class. Okay, class. This is the string of data. I want to read this data one by one. So how to read? As I'm just here passing what is string data I want to print. So how to data will be read one by one, PYTH, and print it like that. Okay, you can see. See. I hope you understand this for loop. Yeah, any doubt? Tell me, suppose this is the string of data, you want to any kind of operation, once read this data one by one, then I want to multiply in 2 in all this list of data. How to do it? You can see, I suppose I want to, this is the list of data, I want to multiply in 2 all. So then how to do it? Suppose I'll be taking blank. Okay. Then no need to blank. Okay, for I in L. Okay, then print I into 2. Correct. So now I'll be print, then you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Means according to 2 multiply 10 into 20 is coming now. So in this way, you can write the program, once read the data, then according to your requirement, you can do it. Okay, I want to suppose I want to add it. Okay, how to add it all? So you can think the logic. Okay, you can apply, but for loop, what to do? It's means read the data starting to end until and unless last condition will be not satisfied, iterating will be not stopped. Okay, so this is the for loop. Okay, so you can I'll be give the after class some questions, you can practice it, then you will be understand. Okay, so this is the for loop. Okay, so now I'll be go for the what is that while loop. While loop, you can see if we want to execute a group of statement iteratively until some condition is false, then we should go for the while loop. There for loop, what to do? That loop is one start means until and unless condition will be not satisfied. That until and unless that will be printing. Okay, but here if we want to execute a group of statement iteratively until some condition is false, then we should go for the while loop. Okay, there is condition satisfied until and unless that will be not executed. Here you can see test the condition and then true but default, then for condition will be not satisfied, then false. Okay, so while loop. Okay, so you can see one example. I'll tell you, print the 1 to 10, same thing in while loop. Okay, you can see while loop. I'm just not writing here example, tell you. See, now here while loop X condition will be satisfied, then it will be print, then increment. Okay, but for loop what to do? That will be iterating in up to means start means until and unless condition will be not satisfied, up to that it will be iterating. But here one by one condition will be satisfied, then this part condition will be satisfied, then this part. Okay, you can see one by one, you can see up to 1 to 10 it will be print, but same thing will be doing, but condition it will be checked once X is equal to 1. Suppose here is coming, condition is satisfied, then it will be print, then again increment X plus 1 equal to 2. Here 2 again check, less than 10 is condition satisfied, then that will be print, then again like that is the looping. But for loop, one start means end in up to, it will be read. Okay, last condition will be satisfied, then it will be stopped. But here one by one condition will be satisfied, then it will be executed inside the data. Sorry, inside the statement will be coming. Okay, so for loop and while loop, in this way I'll be tell you some example, some question I'll be given you like that. Okay, so now transfer statement, you can see break statement, continue statement, pass statement. Break, continue, pass, it's just something is different in other language. There is different, but other remaining thing is same. But here is break, continue statement and pass statement, that I'll be explaining you. So you can see pass statement, I'll be tell you, you can see suppose I'll first pass statement. Okay, here suppose pass, I'm here a equal to suppose 10, like that. I'm example, if condition I'll be take a greater than 30. Okay, suppose then print here I'll be message, this is true. Okay, this is the message. Then here I'm else part, suppose condition satisfied, then this part condition will be not satisfied, then this part. So now I am suppose here else I am writing here, you can see it's a error showing. Okay, you can see syntactical error. What is that? Syntactic, I don't want to display anything. Okay, condition satisfied this thing, otherwise I don't want to anything display the message. But else part I'll be taking, but not taking the statement. So this time what to do, you just pass it, no need the data that but as per condition if else there will be need in pass. Sorry, as per condition if inside condition will be satisfied some statement, Otherwise, else part will be comes in, then some statement you should mandatory. But you didn't write here something. Yes, some statement will be not passed. So you can see here, I'll be pass here false. Okay, false. You can see I'm here commenting. Okay, no problem, no error. Okay, you can see it's a mandatory. You can pass. Okay, the condition will be not satisfied this part, but I'll be comment it. Then it will be showing error. Okay, you can see you cannot blank it, na? So that case, what to do? You can pass nothing but just pass it. Okay, just pass it. Okay, you can see nothing data will be displayed, but it will be working. So like that, if condition also same thing. If condition, suppose you are writing here, if condition, if a equal to 10, okay, then you want to print something. Okay, print something message, that's depend on you. Okay, suppose here hello. Okay, suppose a equal to 10, here I'm condition is satisfied. Okay, a equal to 10. Okay, then what to do? You can see hello is printing right now and comment it. Okay, so you can see what is that? Syntax error. Am I audible, all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so see, so first of all, you understand this part. Any question?
Yeah. Here there is a little confusion. We have a if function also, right?
Yes.
Uh, so in if function, we can just only use if also.
No, starting
And
starting onward, I'm telling you now. So this is the thing is that theoretically I'll be tell you, you just try to understand. If
no, yeah, if is there, yeah, I understood. I'm relating it to the pass function. I understood about the if function. So when we have to use the pass function, this is used, it's like if else we have to pass it, we have to pass it. We have to put it as a pass, right? So
pass is
instead of,
yeah, tell me,
yeah,
continue.
so pass is like if we don't want this else a statement to be printed this way, we will pass it, right?
Yeah, correct. You don't,
Then
but
it will print only if statement, right?
yeah, correct. Means my motto is I want to explain you here. It should be mandatory if statement as per rule. Suppose here condition will be satisfied inside some statement. Here is statement. Suppose you don't want to statement. Suppose not write anything, then it will be showing error. Okay. So that case, what to do? You just pass it. Okay. Pass. Suppose it's a if condition. Suppose if else, you see if condition will be satisfied, then execute in this part. Else, suppose condition will be not satisfied, then comes in else part. This part. Suppose this part you don't want to display any message, but you cannot blank it. As per means syntax, you should be write something na, inside here. You should be write something, but you cannot blank it. But you don't need any message, only condition satisfied, then that part will be print. Else part nothing, I don't want to any message. Okay, it's if means it's a not mandatory. Else if you can, it's optional. Else only condition I'll be take inside. Definitely you should be mandate, you can write some statement. It means some
Okay.
display the message. So you, yeah, tell me.
So if and else that will go hand in hand. We cannot write only if function, right?
Yeah,
If we'll get an error if we use only if function. We have if we don't want any if and else we have to use, but if we don't want anything in else, then whatever if or else, then we will write a pass function,
yes, correct.
right?
Yeah, correct. Means I'm just separately I'll be explain you. If you can take only the condition, no need to else. It's as per means rule, only one condition, then check condition satisfied, just print it. Here is if else means it's a condition check, condition satisfied, then this part is else is this part. Then multiple condition, elif, right? So, but question is coming, pass where will be used? But I want to skip in this part. Condition will be satisfied or what? I don't want to write in this message. I just pass it. This condition I don't want to display, but I cannot blank it as per rule. You can display here something will be statement inside right, but you are not writing. That case, what to do? Just pass it. Correct. I
Okay.
hope you understand. Na? Suppose you can see previously I am writing in for loop for I in range, okay, 10. Okay, range in up to 10 it will be print. You can see, but inside it's not allowing. It's everything is correct, but it's not allowing. What is that? Syntax error. Why? Inside you can some statement you will be right. I am writing in here print I, correct? Print I, you can see it will be print, no problem, because it's a mandatory. You cannot blank it inside. Suppose I don't want to print, then comment it. Okay, suppose Control J, comment it and pass. Pass means nothing, statement will be executed. Okay, I'm not don't want to display the messages. Okay, nothing will be coming. I hope you understand this example all.
Yeah.
Okay, pass
Yeah.
means because you are not blank it statement, it's inside something will be displayed. But in case you don't want to display some message, that case you can pass it. Pass, correct?
Okay, so the pass can be used for any
Any
function,
programming,
basically.
yeah, any
Okay.
program function also, topic also coming, that also, that inside also you can use. Okay, so
Okay.
I'll tell you how to make that block will be skip. You don't want to, but that block is mandatory, but you don't want to skip it. So that case you can use in pass. Okay, so once topic will become entering in programming, then one by one you understand. But right now we just try to understand this. Okay, so now will be coming in the part is break and continue. Okay, so you can see here. See, past statement I'll just explain you. Then break and continue. Break and continue, it's important. You can see here. Break. Okay, Python looping concept, how to use in break. Okay, suppose I want to here for I in range. Okay, I in range, suppose here in 10. Okay, colon. Okay, right now I am printing here print I. Okay, print I. So now it will be print here. You can see up to 9, but for loop it's a once iterate will be start means 1 0 1 2 until and unless this condition will be not satisfied, 10 it will be automatically unnecessary print. But my question is, once my condition will be satisfied, why will be need in print? Okay, you understand my point? I don't want to up to, I want to print condition will be satisfied only 5. Okay, then what to do? If here I'll be put it if condition. Okay, inside if condition, if I equal to 5, suppose 5 will be fine, then no need to read my logic, my requirement. Right now range function through I have generated range function. Start means for loop means it will be automatically generated 1 to 10, but I don't want to print in 1 to 10. I just find the data in 5, then break it. Okay, break. You can see here, you can see condition will be find in 5, remaining thing it's not printing. Okay, you try to understand. I just put it here in break. Loops is the rule is one start means until and unless last condition will be not satisfied, it won't be stopped. But breakthrough, you can condition, you can put and break it, this loop. Suppose I'll put it here in 7. Up to 7, it will be print. Okay. You can see 6. Then remaining, it will be skip. I hope you understand this break. Suppose like that list of data already told you. This is the range I just told you. List of data here, I mentioned one list. What is that? This list. List tuple. Once data structure topic will be coming next class, I'll tell you. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so you can see one, it's a list of data, then for I in L. Okay, then if condition I'll be put, if I equal to inside, I'll be check suppose 4 up to 4 it will be run, then it will be stop. Okay, then break. Okay, break. Okay, then print I. See here, it's up to 1 to 3. Suppose I'll be not put in this condition, then what to do? Then it will print in up to 10. Any doubt? Anybody, any doubt? Okay, then great.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where do we use like this double equal to or 3 equals, like
No.
what is the difference?
3 equal to, it's not available. Already told you, no, operator class, you just go through depth. I'll just explain you, no, operator. Equal to means, double equal to means it will be check the condition. Equal
Relational
to,
operators, right?
yeah, equal operator. This double equal to, not in like triple. Okay, just remind you. Okay, it's not available. Triple equal to, it's not available. Okay, only double equal to means equal to, it will be checked. I equal to 4. Its condition will be set. If condition already told you. Okay, how to use. If condition, I am checking in condition 1 condition. For loop, what to do? It's iterating data 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 until and unless last condition. Last condition will be satisfied. Suppose I will be not put it in break, means it start in here and end with here. Condition will be satisfied. Then print here, print I all. But I don't want to print in means iterating in up to here. I just middle of, I just put it in condition. If I equal to some condition, then break loop, then print it.
If you put pass there instead of break, if I just put pass, then only 4 will be skipped, right?
Pass means it will
Just
be,
instead of break, put the pass there.
1 minute.
I think only 4 will be skipped, right? Okay, just
yes. You can see here. Pass means you can see.
No. Okay, 4 will be skipped. Right?
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again
3, 4, 5. This is strange.
Because here condition check, but what to do?
When it's 4, it is
Python loop dot. You can see
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not working, na, this part. Okay, pass.
When I is equal to 4, then 4 should not print, right? Because when it is 4, we are not coming down. We are just passing it. So I think it will go back to the loop, right?
No, break. That's the reason break are using pass.
No, I don't want to break it. When it is 4, I don't want to print that 4.
Okay.
Only 4 I don't want to print it. So when I is equal to 4, I put the
okay,
pass.
Then
means...
continue. Then continue.
Oh, continue.
Continue
Keyword is there.
Yeah, continue is available. Okay, you can see here. Continue. Okay.
Oh, continue will work. I'm not sure whether.
Okay, you can see here. 4 is not available. You can see.
Okay.
So
pass means okay.
Pass means you don't want to, this statement you want to not display. Okay, pass means you are writing the condition, but inside the data don't want to, but you condition write means you inside it should be write some statement. Okay, something will be right, but you don't want to write, then that case you can pass. Okay, suppose you don't continue, suppose I'll be comment it, it's a showing error, you can see.
Yeah, correct.
Indentation error.
Okay, pass is basically to satisfy the compiler.
Yeah, compiler, correct. Compiler not allowed in that case, you can see
Okay,
pass,
okay.
you can see. Break is condition will be satisfied, there will be stuck. Continue means you can see here, suppose
Okay, only that
pass.
check will be passed. Okay,
Yes,
okay, understood.
you understand, I hope all of
Yeah,
you
yeah,
clear.
understood, sir. Yeah. clear.
Continue means you can see, I want to skip in, suppose 7 I want to skip, okay. See, 7 is not available here. Correct? Yeah, any
Yeah.
doubt?
Got it.
Continue. I hope all of you understand. Yeah, any doubt?
Yeah, understood.
So this is the thing is that means looping concept. Why mostly you have to use in for loop. You just try to understand this thing. Always you have to use while loop also use, but compared to while loop for loop, this is a very important for loop. How to read the data? Okay, so in this way you can read for loop. This is the syntax. You cannot blank it inside. Once colon inside something will be display a condition or whatever logic you can inside the right. Okay, but you cannot
So
blank it.
all the conditions or checks will end with the colon, right? Not the regular statements, print, break.
Yeah,
This won't enter,
correct,
but if
correct.
conditions,
If condition statement, you can end with colon. This is the syntax, okay? And just
and
here
if I
putting
put a semicolon in the end, that is error or
no, that
not error?
will be error. That will
Not,
be
not,
error.
not that. The print like break.
That's optional. You can see here
Optional.
optional. You can already first class already told you, na? Here Python, you can here put it optional, no error.
Optional.
Okay, it's optional. You can take it, you are not it. No problem.
Okay.
You can understand, na? I hope you understand this topic. Yeah, any doubt, all of you? I'll be share you some question. Okay, try to solve it. Okay. So, any doubt? So this is the topic today. You just this is the very important. Okay, so try to do it. Okay, this thing. Okay, so this is the means always you can use. Okay, this is the question I'll be given you how to print in this for loop using. Okay, this way star pattern. Okay, so I'll be share this question, you can try to do it. Okay, some basic question I'll be share. Okay, this is the note. Okay, so this file I'll be share and some question I'll be share. Okay, you can go through this this thing. Today I'll be teach you those things you can try, and some question will be practice it. Any question today class? So this will be most important. I'm again tell you, because once entering the program, always this thing will be need if condition, elif and for loop. This is the most important, while loop also, and how to use in pass and continue and break, in particular using for and while loop. Okay, so any doubt? So can I wind up today? So
Sir, I need a few minutes after your class to install the VS Code. I installed the VS Code, but how to link the Python, I'm not getting. So maybe I need a few minutes after your class.
Okay, no issue. Do one thing, just share. Yeah, tell
So
me.
I have already downloaded it. I just want to show it to you, like, is everything okay?
No, download it's okay, fine, but your installation any problem?
No. Just I want to show, like, is it like, I tried also. I'm able to pass the command, but just want to make sure, like, I'm doing it
Okay,
right.
do one thing, just share me screen first. Okay, then I'll become in so Praveen, yeah, Bijay, I'll become come in. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, just I'll take only 2 minutes, Vijay, not
Okay, sure.
much time.
Carry on.
Sir,
Yeah,
can you
Yeah,
sir,
tell
can
me.
you share the material recording?
Okay, recording material once class will be complete, I'll be share. Okay, material you just see all mail ID you just share me. I don't want to share in group because this is my personal note. Okay, so all topic wise is available. You want, then I'll be share, because no need, because all are I'm PY file. I'll everyday class I'll be share with you now, whatever practical you need in theory, just share me your mail ID all are,
Okay.
then I'll be through mail, I'll be share, not in group. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yes,
Thank
sir. Even I need the material because we have to go through it, read it once, and then only we'll
Okay,
understand
then no
again.
issue, no issue. I'll share. Mostly I don't want to share because this is I'll make it in personally. Okay, so I'll be share, no issue. I'll share. You just go through. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so share
Yes.
your screen. Okay,
Yeah, I'm sharing. Are you able to see it?
no, still no. You didn't share still. I
The
think.
share is loading. It is showing. Second, I shared it.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll be first stop it. Then you will be able to share. Okay, I'll be stop.
Okay.
All guys, I'll be stopped right now. Okay, so she is sharing. Okay, okay, share. So all are eligible. See,
Yeah, I can see the screen. I think Lila screen I can see.
yeah. So Leela, it's a fine. Everything is working. So what is
It's
the
fine,
reason?
right?
Yeah, fine. It's
No, just I want to just show you that's all. Like, is
no. It's a
just to
fine.
make sure like I'm working in the right environment. That's all.
Yeah, correct environment.
That's why
Because
I said
BAS also you have to
this is
install. Everything is fine. It's correct. No issue.
okay.
Python version
Okay.
you can
Thank
check it. Okay, everything is working. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can do.
version 5.
Which version you have to install? Python space dash
I
dash
iPhone iPhone
version.
installed
version.
3 point. Sorry, Python.
Python
Version I think.
hyphen version. Okay,
Two time
space
minus.
two type minus
Python.
starting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Space. No, no, space.
Space. No space.
Python space minus minus version.
Yeah, version.
Again, space.
No. This is the thing. Yeah. 3. Your latest version you are installing. Okay, perfect. Here everything is perfect. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
so yeah, you can stop the share screen. You can share, Vijay.
Okay, let me do.
Can we leave, sir?
Yeah, you can leave it. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll just
Okay.
who want to
Thank
leave it. I'll be just see the Vijay system.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe can you stop the recording, sir?
1 minute, I'll be stuck. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, you are waste 1 minute.
Mhm.
You can just stop the screen. I'll be
Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, I stopped sharing.